030 and 0303 965780. We are Bora Haja special local food to one Monakwaji Adrian and Papa. No more tribo yana Haja certain table na washa se airton. The bibia wo pese a local food fufu and answer jollof a more toza fee benkun kokunte bibia bi anope Bora honum say lunch swa frewomo na wo packaging e kama niembe deliver enfama baby wo hwehwe wo machira kwan a ubehunu Haja special local foods no ewo hacho kwan so atomic transition finu ahomudu hormo a eben ubi so biasa wo ko Haja hormo a ye becho 0246359921 0246359921 and 0594797215 yaka was Sompa 106.5 FM Accra your client service line and that's for ye adwuma me pacho pese oni yedi nkomo wo pese ye ton wade ne ema na be frani a checho enie mani so program cross said nhye ne esifatia 0531886216 0531886216 ofra yenu ebedi enkomo na ya kyerɛw eniemani so ma bibia nso etimi akonkan wie nyumakoi adawroma ena anopai yatenase a yede Ghana today bro abedwafo atenase ene Ghana ewo match enti wo sha wodoma nkoma chiame Obrempong na kwaku ampoma ne abena bedu adepa wo mo ahyehye bibia kama na kyese go Ghana no a enuamu ena yewo abedwafo ma mo akwaba
yeah
nyo
Adwoa
me pa mo chobi aboko
obade na da
adumna
enenso akwa Tuesday
ebenada edume da se dia na kire se babia we be say everywhere ku
okay
ti ene de yin so Ghana bebo match ye ebenada yin so de ebe fa
edenya miase
ada na osafo sere ada na wosere ebe fa
ene Ghana ne England
ane
yejina kono
enye easy ye ni brabre ne che krodom
enti ye bompa ese enema betimi akoyi ede ama the Black Stars of Ghana
kase bekoyi yes
ede ama the Black Stars of Ghana.
Thank you.
Na amanfo bi a predict
maybe falasi for nana Yesu Kristo kura ne konse farisifu amuhu ne ye kira muhu ombio
omukra de ye
yam gwa kira wo mani nyina bewu
I mean ye ka ye no credit ye ba ko pese wo hye game no wo hye England history now hye Ghana history wo hye bo mu ahoden wo hye tactics wo hye chese bibia bi kapane ade na England oh I'm telling
you
but one thing about football is etoda unpredictable.
Yes. A slide mistake etimi mu be win.
Oh
Argentina omo kra ba so omo ho amayen na me se wo yin ana
football ni de bibia to me sisa wom bibia to me sisa enti yenye hopeful.
No dey any hopeful that
ene no Black Stars eniema ebekoye kwaku
Adwoa
ana no waedi ana o chese de ka na yenkope ba bi na kora
David me yam ayi bi wa ha na me no na bo muntaka na enya wa ha ntino mo sana mo babo mo ni England babo
muntaka enhome
omo se omo nchia pate mo chiano manchiano born wo bebo mo pa ne line up no yi sa parade na omo ye no krom pa mo me mfa ye ho
no wo begina mu bi
wo bebo ne
o ye sure
enne pate bebo
omunya ma
akwan me si wo ma mfa pate antuma wo mo de papa ba ko no wo ko dinani mu ha na wo sese boss no
munya isa
wo mo de ne ko dinemu a
munya isa
so ni papa na America no
munya isa let's be minimum brand na wo kana sem
no kasa papa no
onye papa 34 years no papa onye papa
34 years
and I wedi say 29
no so 32 so no ko 40 years
32 years
wo mo na eka
o ya brand No, I mean, let's
football mood your papa.
Let's
no.
Let's be honest. Now Ronaldo credit sense. So
Ronaldo is on the old man.
So what does Sujin?
On the old man. Oh, but I know man for captain Jordan. Jordan bench.
No, the thing is, more Ghana for
Carlos Day. Chaos. Obey mu chaos. Chaos.
I mean, monja is sad, you know. Ghana a nipa ewiase nipa nkasa no. Me say nipa beye di obeye bia mfo so kakra bi na mo kasa.
Wenya
na mo ye there be. I mean, let's be honest. Guy we can ho ne appearance, the fourth appearance.
Jordan he's the most appearance in Black Stars.
The third appearance in here. You can't Black Stars World Cup. On the Gine Mache. And over the years, no, what bought him no?
Hurricane, you
can't Black Stars. What supported him no? We're putting it all. A game no. Now if for some a small time delivery no more feel say delivery no so atia
small time small time no daily guide ya bra small time near dey
na yen no ene yen fa ne nkoto baabi na yen say onim say coach no onim so babo ne fam ene fa na nkoto so na juma babo no na juma babo ne say
na de ni apon nyomo ye
na juma babo ne say until let's be hopeful enye Jordan na you na be me yare
sa
anaso Adwoa concerning asema wo kemi person bi sasafo say why don't be say
you know
last time I ne Panama boy you who say yes sir Jordan ana meboa abrache ne ade ne buy ne friend saying safo asante na buy you don't chidi share you know strength
so you are also for it
yeah
Jordan Jordan onyabo eso pass
na wabuba ball no kra me kra metimi agba kra
no I agree say
player
bia wo ne strength
there be way strength
the contribution to the game
safo na no Cote d'Ivoire African Cup Cote d'Ivoire de ye ko botro kan ho ya oni naki ejina park so pass ball man naki no onko sha no asan the ball o say can Chelsea player of free Nigeria friends empo John Mikel Obi for ball ko ani ma no so de be man naki ase de enko de be san da chi ama san no de koy o de ya semenyo ma ne pass ya na wagina so na wagina no what from ne age ball
enti mo ni wadwuma chen coach no
na coach ni so abo
Adwoa
muni madwuma chen
coach na adwuma no nim yanka Jordan gutu gine
ya mama nyesa bi ka se me bo
Francis Otia kenten kan se muni mbo a ye so nim hwe
ye so etie nim show
ya nim hwe
ya mama nyesa
what
Adwoa da bi obi antan no and not see me ho no won be time
almost 36 million Ghanaians na mo di yakuma dia 36 million Ghanaians nipa 24 pe na mo di yakuma dia mo
enti for
ya ne Panama ya hyase anche bia na so coach wanya no ansesa Jordan
no se Panama ka o struggle say ya
na ne England ye
more
but ene
enti anyway ene ye weni da so kesi yes enti ye nhwe se enioma
ebetimi ennati wo hwe center spread chronicle or the Declan Rice mo za branch here no say Arsenal player ya ono waje EPL ama won hu ne ya wanye ne hu Rice Declan Rice ni Hurricane ni me bay Jude Bellingham wono ni Marcus Rashford but semen nyo wa ha Brandon Asante wa ha na minim Caleb Irenchi ni ni Benjamin Asare ni won mo na be ya adwuma no nya branch here o hye nan ya ogina he ya de bia no atwe to Fista no ogina park so
okay you yati me sure say coach no wate
wo be fa wan so de ya na we onya lusu we ya woni pressure be draw na fa fie
say ye bench boy we ye bench abrantie
ni
ya shaga ye shaga na monyo
si ye bench no ye shen ya ye pe
na mo ankasa mo bete wa hasi
but maybe coach no be man abokakra
wo paron twen edu 94th minute kro no ana na no de Brandon be yi ni free mu no edu ha no de na ba no de na be yi Brandon afiri mbiem
Daily Guide say you target for threaten strike over welfare issues Adwoa Asare shooting incident, the inside story, oko page 3 Daily Guide ubenyebi. Edubua hen trial investigator details how 49.1 million Ghana cedis moved to a private account. And also NDC renames headquarters as JJ Rawlings House. And also ceremony of Mampini John Dramani Mahama and then a domino and one so Daily Guide but tension rocks Bantama NPP over electoral album and also page 3 ain't oko Daily Guide dear say ubehu stories na wo na won so wakwa kokin kan bi nti mamema the Black Stars of Ghana no England match no nkrofo bebre na predict ya ye de ho asem so aba beto ahanum esei nti ho nsem nyina wo hanum mame enko kwakuni aba ho na yenhwe ensem no de anope wo mede abatetew na fi yempeke ko
Adwoa Daily Graphic truth and accuracy every day and free media no ase na kase pa ye ode baye Ghana any England nyakopon ya adom anwumre no wotwekran ni asisivi ho sase ya spell England no de ama wo mo ye ne de didi betwato nte be England na kire say bibia timi akoye ede ama safo adai adai Enti no Daily Graphic de obokata no e de munsama ba na obisa say they settle old scores tonight. Na safo ya ni England hia ye no emre bi etwam e ko san 1-1. Enti na ne me kura na ka me say de enya hwe kura me yen hya wo mo ide nke mo draw. Ana wo say mo ide ka me call for draw. Adrama studio ni ani abrio yani abrio
ba World Cup na the group stage ni de yebekọ
ba ye bodro ne krampo adwa de ye mate na yade mama yade do enti no eno sumu nsam ewo Daily Graphic de obokrata yim na eno ada NDC amanyoko wonom headquarters ya eno no ewon kana ha wonom ahyefa fe ena womo asesa ne din ede ato Flight Lieutenant Jelly John Rawlings na womo ayohoni anu no firi ne ti ebesi na betini na kokoso ha kakra
honi na sam na ne ekase
ase wonse no
kwa no ye
ne sa no nye fe me kra ne hu ya nam se
because no akra era mahama kra se mo kan na me hu se wo kase de be ya no ye no
I'm feeling bad
because was before on be unveiling no na no wa ye never say ade ya ye be ye will it reflect JJ ni image yankasa you know na so wa ye I feel on be unveiling and was
when she adwuma na nwie
me hu ya na
omuntia le come man half the compensation
obeko obiti baby a obi anim na ye betimi akave yes a bust no aye ne chese complete reflection and so yeah fama no obeko mkura ye obi contract
ya enti we wo mutimi nya ne foforo wo hu se maybe as time goes on no wo betumi ape obi a we you good no wo ma ye no ba we die nda ye hu ya se bas die dabe nanim kora no nse no sa aroho sembi asi e won finfini e mantamu Cape Coast na wo mu kiremu se nadmo se ensu a eyi yirafi no se die e dream e won finfini e mantamu no se fem papa enipa mako edunwotwe 18 ena nsu yiri ye mu wo mati na nanom se adu abusua areho enkan su yiri nsu de enke keka ya pesa de panikan keka fu a ke kama adampan enkan kran na kakane ne ne nyina ya tu ani aba besie na su enne nkronkuma ne nkronketu ani nyina mu no garamse na dama ensu ani etu wo mo papa kwa wasa kropon kohwe se de afefa de hye no ene samra boy kra de yenka enu podo yase nsu ani so wontwen homa ye de be ye nsu se ntwen ene de bia wo mo nam so a wo mo de kanu ene di akwanya ba wonsuo ni so na finfini mantamu na dwuma ko ni sei wo hwe enipa 18 na ensu yiri ye nam so mo moti na nanom se do a emu mako insia eye edan ye collapse ye ensuo ni tono na edan no ebui na emu insia no a edan no collapse ye na sebi wo mo eti na nanom se de no na kyesa akwaya reho sempa wo mo maka ne de anya ensuo no eyiri wo twa na edineko nsuo no eto no ama mentwe menema behu ane se edineko ya wo mo ebo amane se adehye yenhwe yehu eye won so tebre mo na empanimfo wo mo edu mo djuma e wo National Vaccine Institute NVI wo mo epanin wo da hai Dr. Soji Tete eno akasa kire mu se woni adwumako bi a ye frɛ wonom Pharmavis Ghana womo ka womo tam asiani se USAID wonom gya sa vaccines wa ni ye de ye ewo won kwara de soso womo anum ne de keka ho no se no Ghana ne ho akere ye nkakranti empanifo a womo so timi dane nnuromo ena womo epe ho pomasi bra papa sa Pharma Vest no empanifo akere mu se womo ewonim de pa ba no nnuro yankeka mom na enye bibia kama no nti womo de womo tam ebo womo de no na womo ahwede womo betumi aye ede aboa mi hu krata fa to so aduonu e Daily Graphic do obo krata yim kwaku Macron ene ye kire mu se wa pledge commitment to reparatory justice nti wana ti hayi wane ye ne yankasa ye papa Ghana mampanini eneja wane no eti hayi kama eno motwa mfoni ede ababa beto hanom na de Daily Graphic de na aposo bia wode ebaaye de hia pa ena madani akire de asom etifoi
ane ma yonto aso mfiri benkum ha na Chronicle mu ene maba begina na amenhwa se metimi aka ne nyina bombe sesimam bienu pa sanse ne DVL for Ghana road safety for better men kan wachire ho so se menya muntaka ma ne na homenti mako road safety na wode abaha lawyer Adwoa Asare ne mfoni no a imagine here from the hospital bed no ane guso da ha say ya wo mo chese say safo akofuna prosefo ache no nia nura nansane ne wo mo ma no
ono ankasa
mu no
ono ankasa na de ne ho koi
nti prosefo chese
se enhwehwemu bi a wo mpese wo hwemu no waba
ne wa ye de eti
nti se na ye do one wo mo a ye di ka che wo mo no be court de adru no
edi ekura na ekoso okuru
this is same way say metai kan say unhu we wo Pentecost unhu we wo Methodist unhu we wo Presby Anglican Roman Sam sorry no unhu bio SDA Assemblies of God because omo systematically omo structures na we ni wa we okwan e be fa so e ye pepepe
untehe
but Obrempong International Church de e me dia me ni mabusuan dia enti so Obrempong kwa abusuanfo ne mpre ebini ye sheda ni successive plan any inheritance no ni awo kwa ha na ye wo gina ha ebe wiye no na akoye chinso
but enye
but this particular issue no ho Andrew sources bia na me monitor wonu chire mu say ebra na Apostle Joseph na nkasa te ase no
on dey ba akofuna ya na obo ni dey so no
na so wo mo say after sa video no after sa eno no ache old video
yes
enna echire bi mo so kire say echire no eniema bi a na ekokoso no ma papa no say eni ade ne kora na eni enya maso mi ana me de made na me say me de be ma wo eni me nya amfa ma wo enti e wonsem no akwakoye bebre but e very sad say Ghana ha sebe Apostle Joseph Kantanka na wonye Ghana ni keke
revered engineer oye Ghanaian
Africa na ka say denti ne friend no star of Africa enti enya kwa na sebe panyini sei ebekọ ne krachi na nachi asem basa ene sei wochina sei enye ha ne yeba betena ba bebo obi apa awabọ na emu
but
ene ma bi sei no enwa enhye nkuna ketekete sei
ebesa CBM unim ne ntia me mpesa me gba aso de bidi na nso nsori de bia wo Ghana ha sei emu asofo mu mpanimfo emeritusfo gugum archangels ne archbishops fo ye gugugum mu
angels
o de ma omu ba ko nto sesi a na hwe de besi o na asore de
edi
ebi we ye bi besi because you nsua de
it's very sad
omaya emu nipa nsua de ba ko ne Ghana me abibire mu titiriw ye nsua de entu ye sure say Makion Obeti Pentecost anko ntimi fa ne ba ana wentimi fa ma na busia John Wesley ntu nko ntimi fa ma na busia
na de ye ya ne said ye koso nyina no enkrofo bi peso wo de no kora ne hye baabi
no
that's the problem
me na no Sunday no na metie lawyer no omo lawyer no say
Dr. Nana Kofi Kantanka
me ne nsem ne nsisi su mame
na nura nkomo aye di wo Premto Breakfast Station ye ne personal assistant no Emma lawyer Adwoa Asare kasae ene ye ne Christo Asafo Mission PRO no enso kasae wo hye wo no baabi a wo fa nkomo ni free ye PRO no na wo he baabi a Adwoa Asafo aid no ana personal assistant no so fa free ye any chiremu a wode
conflicting reports
I'm telling you
that's a job period you will not even know cause no kind of crojin sir
and you know more yes say no how do you expect to say no kura wa asem no mu no ye behu na ne yesese mpanifo ye no wo moaye
lawyer na asema Sunday no na wo kan say Adwoa Asare ND kan issue tea first I'm like really
omo person omo chese say video ba no they didn't know say Adwoa Asare ka
no munim dada sa private security si a endra ye nsa so wo mumu no munim dada na me hu video bi a gate na Adwoa Asare de car no apimpim mu no na etuo ano etuetwiem enti no ene ma adwin kosi so say then the na lawyer na ka no maybe it might be
nti one thing yenye ballistic experts but shadio she Adwoa Asare ka no shadio Adwoa Asare ka no side say na aboba ne gu ye any echire door na glasses na aboba no ebi any driver side no the mirror na eno so etuo ka no a ewaye no na hwade ye say we no etuo ni free inside na call out and I say free outside na buy inside
enura de ba
fake car no dey free outside who I mean the security personnel na ya private security personnel
who
but the what gate ni mu na men tias ye say is it that some dey na no mu ye ni say
the shooting started from the car but car in so mami nko na etika ni
enti eba ne say na time be no tutuo no one me ba ni enti busa sa ne say oba no na we rolling the glass e ko soro na le wo fom no tutuo ne fa hen
en wo to fa hen.
That's my first question. And now, PRA lawyer now some first one or kind say the security officers no if it's no or security officers no and no ni ho into on my report.
Yeah.
Nientia me say ono na asem no kwa NCC so. First voice Abakay boy e wo evening news in so was that security personnel no starting till almost starting my warning shot.
So more prevent no. So on fa car no
now you come back and say Adwoa Asare ne di kan me what can anim ho say omo ma omo with warning shot. Now you come back and say Adwoa Asare ne start shooting.
She say
I'm not defending Adwoa Asare.
Yeah.
Me nim na so MP or a former MP. And open na nam di nim no. And o de be minister asa.
Me kwa de o che yogurt na mdi hu no.
Me ni Adwoa Asare ye ni any relationship monogamy ni say yenshi ada one on one da.
But it's very
but
sad.
sometimes utie
account
na bana
sisi so
no say ye wa hey Obrempong fi abonten ba odi nsem we mean to sabi odi nsem ba and private security officer or another officer say was Sompa edi kan ma warning shot. Now on the same line, you come back and tell me say Obrempong started here. Meanwhile, I say security starting with warning shot. Now warning shot here to go down.
Just say
warning shot here to go down.
Na aseba ko adwoa me san so te ya ebubu makoma ne say private security personnel na yen sa so wo mu no. Wo mo se no mo dwo ne tai no. Echu no mo totobo ka no nyina na omo
baby a glass yi wo.
Entili wo mo pese wo mo
dwo. I don't know video no ye video no ye hu ye but unya bra kone kotie commentary na
good
go and listen to the commentary
yes
na what video na say obi say there be yen shuti obi say jai there be o mo ma yen to
mo
ya me da ya no so na me na di ma me Sarah Adwasafo ho afo
na me na di na because sister
you give me no mo nim say ne driver no na driving no what e chire nti wo hwe car na wo chire pa
when you kwa chire no you understand
but it's very
no mo nim so no an kasa na driving
it's very bad say sister nyame mfasa ma na bibi boni bi to na anka wo kwa
Aja, Chronicles can Exodus 14:14.
Hold your peace and the Lord will fight for you. From Sunday school, the
Lord will fight for you.
Hold your peace.
And you have only to be silent.
Until the one
year. Either say.
Oh wait.
Translation there be some kind view.
Oh, I say the Lord will fight for you, and you have only to be silent.
When you King James, when you New King James, it does say NIV and amplify.
Anyway, a common stories me no pay chronicle. Adwasafo when you di Black Stars.
Munyedi.
Nyame be kwama.
0260196064 0260196065 yeah. Ya pick course ni we ade aketwe no. Ya be kwa akoto aso e wo honom nti mpacho obetimi abaso na ye ne wo edi nkomo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. It's fine Abakay. About your break,
right. Ain't you on Frabo so kind?
None of pay there. Yes, near because none of pay there. You near Bakay and in prayer or radio, so I friend or Daya one, sorry.
Your friend is saying
Odro.
Oh,
also now, Yenina and a radio or yeah.
Na me fa ne currency.
Na no fa no kakra de ne ko se tia na no pa ya. O dinhe anka tia se fon bio na kupon. Na mani baby papa entina na ya tire ebusia fon na ewe. Ma me fa kunya wo so na me tia na bo alaji ya kondo a obuto kanso. Any original chairman honorable Atimo baby obi anyamenka no. Ushe Adwasafo Asare airport ya nina ya japadia omopese omopre mu papa yi fiebra wabo e wo Ghana ushe nioma ne pana aye the whole Ghana kantaka obia papa yi din na papa yi fremu a mu umma mu beka mu wabo esie mu papa fefe no si ade a moye japade nti na mo pese mu kumu ade na omu ye na eye time omu jai because we eto na Adwasafo a na mo pese omu kuno because eto na ye tutu ye no na omu nimfe otie kire enti omu tutu ekunu eyi na flo because of property a papa nankasa aye edi amamu amusum betimi atinasi atise nyame yi fiade amuye wo papa ne newu a wewu fiade
Bright me da sepi obre no aso. Hello, good morning. Awro bone de we wure muntem erade adom na so e
le da tumi brate Obrempong me te Obrempong ka Obrempong me ti afa
waje
so ya me ti pagani yari afreme ana bo no iberu afreme ana apamdada the battle man ya because me mistake ya for local players pa ko bo brasa ya dey bit kunu ya itraba bi mitira yo we battle mi ya no baka ta e no se obi asirimu na wan take mu ntia na e bi o yan di Nicola ana o yan di Nicola and bright I know what take mu dan ka ya hu ya mu ya mane ya ko mami ko me o de me ta mo to a yimi tutu me de mraya juma le battle me da ka guma no krada na me ko te wo to ba na wo oh come on my goodness I will say grab on one for that what you got national chairman and I hope say national chairman do uchu go di bacteria what you got on the record and what you got go di abu for on one day corner that is president Bawumia Commission. And this is for who was here for Papa as a private catcher. Rather than what is a person. I see them at the they take that off for I come on for the man tomorrow. I don't know the 5 years to 10 years to I'm gonna a year control. Money control also. I am not control at the time that the rolling. When you want your tongue and the last one, what are going to make someone hospital for here? When this is the only go here for a coin card to put one gun in you and a year when you want your tongue.
Obrempong Medasipi. Hey, Ed you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. William Barnett to say.
Collins.
No.
Yenti ofra mamuli. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Namisha no nyo kese pa.
Mo. Send me call deputy communication officer. I want to bono. The birthday we so. I'm the best share you yam. And I open program now in my peda baby my do ko Kantiski.
Hey.
Yeah, well, program.
Collins me dey answer me bo.
Yeah, na foul when I do ko Kantiski. Then I buy this one. Ai, kakra we ho. Na orebo kase yenu na we free mo no. Ya we sem. Udu. Oye DC.
Okay.
Your man Yako, any Busia. The birthday, I mean, Dim Sukoyama. I bomb with a Kakraba. Anyway, maybe. In Chia Justice, Yabua, incoming deputy national organizer. And I could do Dampa and Anana Utudako, the host of Accra 100.5 FM. Yaba. In the area of Kasako, if you Ghana Bilusu, and young one, because this time. Any president Mahamani this Yamamu, I'm a Ghana Prasta, a man human so, and maybe you this Ghana Pacosamuda. The president Akufa Dene, Papa Baumia, MPP, they do my wish 8 years. Ghana Prasta Bobo, Jesse Krau Shakma now, Felix on the P. Jesse Krau Shak, now the Piapontia, now your Faye, as a nation, Wakasa would be for this year. O man Coco Ghana, Wakasa Utimugi, and me, there's a Mahamani DC, and the Black Ya, it's here, one, so the one people of the Casagana Belusu, hey, Yelusu, Yevino, Amamunu, and Lusu. It's here people who be no one, what do you say? Amamunu, Echo Yetino, Black Guinea, and the Sayamuyano, hey, Yevini, Yelusu, and Fakal is beyond. And then I have a can be say, we do so yet to come out of the country. I didn't know every year. What we say, I'm not money for you, and your mother, and I'm going to share Ghana Belusu. So I'm not going to hear this, and the cost one.
Collins Medasipi 0260-196-064 0260-196-065. Hello, good morning.
Obayima, and I tell you, I'm going to
Enka Wunso.
But you're saying that I'm going
to boy.
And turning to Collins, so the fact is that the exam is ready. Because only ground could call it ground is yet. You can't make anything. Then about our entry and you know, let's round and phone into Collins. No, you found a job of farmers for Mama only. Farmer could be the farmer crime. Farmer could be and my own only. The call is the round and Sashaba won't be never be a joint family. And no chain come like a chama, you know, another watch at that way and turn it. The air cost of our foot any in terminal. In fact, a yard of because all social players in 20,000 who are just on the car anymore, or the game, you know, almost to the Abogas and Amabu Bayana. Let me get a new Papa. Yeah, maybe I said to be done among Papano. So the Panama is letting me say, why didn't you know the map of the there? And go absolutely different in the just the panic I said only the children are more cardinal. But the air person said to make up a gent to the cool there. Let's get up for it. You cannot only have on the system. Just a crowd of them because I don't know obi ku obi no for the mouth to make you be the ground not so obi sabi for boy some adan ayi fa ne ke ana chi obi ti o wo ya so wo ya papa ba ko ko ne we were I don't know you will tell me I should have penny and I want to walk away but the penny was now wapa I don't know to me now and then now we are going to get to them.
Nanamu akomeda sepa sa so do the fresh boy ebai. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Adwoa.
Akafia.
Mo onene.
Yenti on free cantamanto.
Mo. Yedi kamanusia Sompa 106.5 mo.
Akafia, baby, I want me say minya feedback. Yes. Yeah. But yenti.
Na be ka say metia 106.5 no. Na me fa kwanya kesiencha incoming national chairman. Ona bobo acheja ko. Na me tia just security up in maintain. Na me tia na wo mi usu or bag with takra wo ma organizer. God ya sad media consumer director of communication. And Moses Sabo Greater Accra organizer. Na me uska Obrempong West communicator. And community council organizer. And also too. Adwoa, many college, Eka, Semima, Medin Hoya, Papa. Oromo Bekan again. Oko, and farmers, I say, MPP Punina, say, you will not a year. Maybe last week, no match a boy in Panama. Sompa FM ya so about the program. The passes me a friend. Many nipa me predict one nila you really the brother many this ni some young people ni. It is all kasa. Now person all the politics be mo dia. And your friend what you say? Obi na kana say ball here. So your TV ni so kra. Abrofo na nka kra abrofo no bebre support Ghana. And also college Ghana can say what you have on Tuesday. Yemia Odu the Obrempong. Yema the Busia and this college Nina said because Odu you be Madame Papa no. Why Ejima we are check. I'm a training can't check. You come and face it Mama Bay, I'm in the Kabucha. You're not just Odu. Odu. Namenka.
Akafia Meda Sipi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho wine Meshianui.
Pacho Sompa Kaswa.
Pacho yenti on free kaswa.
Pacho and before well we almost quiet to see almost follow. Name catch them.
Pacho peja nene mame kakra medase.
You almost quiet to see or more to honor. Almost almost the actual rolling. A crazy switch there won't play there. Ritually, rolling to unfair. Because rolling on your for only a drop in several years. No my way, Eddie, I share some of the Kenyan Union. One can almost
na mebo so mpaka aswe na bast no aden denti na o ka kro no asemi
mami rolling community no buy name the kanahu from 79 yem efi into minimum papa minimum kwala agreement na ni ameka da 82 me kanahu food evacuation task force created. I come by ya no see and son, Mina Nami leader, in America. You see a man woman who bet me at Remy, you create a woman. A man won't I have coffee here. Say, Yanya rolling to get you, say, on Panko to be here, woman or Transua. Can you catch your face at Ghana? You can see American separate. Or no on set or moonlight.
Meda CP 0260196064 196065. Hello, good morning. Enka wonso.
Na wapum chiden.
Erade adum me pacho hwan
Better young coupons from Y2K.
Y2K. Me pacho yenti.
Mama share MPP delegate in Melnosan, who love watching Jacob about Tampa Commission. Yes, someone. The Mras would be able to meet Chen and other work today. The compromise going back with general election of lose. Will be a local could be for I. About just in good years, one can change the answer and catch it. So me and Tenenka, Madam, I Ghana, I say you. I mean, it's a them another prayer. What can they be called? I believe on your shoe. My money, your money, Musicori, and there, or to protect foreign currency. That is the only achievement. But section for the student on the banner, and this is about Denver, no better zoom line on it to open. And they a fee, and your money are far, madam. And then come, Kakankai, Mama. Another you say, over Joshua Kamba, and some are not the NDC from Pennyful, or Kafa Bofusha, which you will be on our for the one. And so I know a Kamba by a former NDC organizer. I am one about what they from the city in a quarter with the person. Yeah, but on money, NDC, Madame Bibi, I say, and they are over what is it to all. I'm not there to what I go over what is it. Man can they to what? Manka what the one headquarters, what action? Manka actually comment her. No, you are after home. I want to watch an armor working. No, you working. No, what they office here want to move a contact. No, what they must have one. Yabas, and now you can say, I'm not.
Y2K me da sipi me fa course ni mi no bi aka ho na ya sorry so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Onyaba.
Me pacho hwan na abasui.
Me pacho ye friend Gideon diga me kata fra beka.
Gideon yenti o fra beka.
Idasi, mane so ti di phenomenon Michael Keta Oba Data Regional Chamber. And in charge of deputy community organizer national. Na me nka say ene match ya kobono. Ghana ni bi enya wish dey. E dey ya you qualified to next position. Into Ghana ni bi enya akoma. Na no problem kakawo ye sense nsi etuto na nsi yente ye bola ayado so Ghana do NDC aban ba ye nse zunzario yente o ma fe twa no contact nti ama bola be di o se dia bola na do nti be ka twa ban se ye pa ne chew zunzario adwuma no na ye adwuma dia na odi ko e sama improvement nti se ko ba se o mo ana o mo plan ne o mo tifi o mo nye adwuma na bola so side do so pia my area into 32 my area adults into a parent this a show a year basinteri and the say the contract in training and this abandon training in conclusion do layo no fata juma no general na juma we onyema enye na bola a dot sa into 32 my area adults into pa and this party show so omushe no munizum layo say tibia anoni anon traffic no munkata na jomba ya amabola eno eswati eno na tunti enye we be bola asa like I don't say abubu ye asa like tinti
Gideon Medase Anope. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, mini abana pumti seyo.
Erade adome ben yentio.
We nana kwame ni boy kan eben yemenu
Ah nana kwame yo yentio wanope.
Nana pa nyame
asa voice na se
be. Kusi obi a metia nana pa. Na just say boa babunu a ahoden wonimu a wonimu de we a ye de organization na de ye bi akonya okọ national deputy organizer de duru wa yen support ni pushing ko nanim na ba de ye ura juro zebla obi a mechia no na aka me kan se ye man no eduru ba bi a ye ma politics ni niam bi ensem fata ye ni ewu ni o si so ne to ye na ye hu ya dapa to ate ye galamti atemusi ya ka musi mumwa ye se ba bi enso ni bia enso ni na buafu because enso aye na ye nya binom den na ma se enso ni na resika amafo ebenti ma se enso no ama ye se nipa kura nya enso no ansa ne be sane enso so ama nya bia no ne ya boka no mana boka te susuro to ata se ne ba bia enso yiri ye di ze mo se be yiri ewo yiri so ne ya frabai but ya ne referee say enso na kwa na yesisi no eno ne na etwa be yire boy yena yenya de sene fata da mo man put there da ko nanim you were on the money mama buy and the dollar a jira be 1 year half year ni and the fuel bo asab a jira pako to at I know the treasure by papa ba and more near to and no kita 50 the grant me to me and I'm one and a book or 200 and no kita 4 500 grant me yabi and on the treasure by papa about 1.5 year this year why you ground come on a combo this year you won't be that. If you have not support on Mambono, you are the
Nana Kwame Medasipi, me pick me last caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miniaba.
In Patron, when
I'm to say,
Eradiadum.
We did in another it's really down to mine.
Nanoska yinti wanope.
My main come on my gun and she said, NPP college, Obudu was share consultation or come. It's three. If form of the Joko contest, the better man of business with Mojaja, that I put on organizer, and the cipher communication. How a palace town, or also call one organizer, Cabrani fan, yet Dawson, Yana knows Kamis Kubi, and then to go see a community. We will best support women, no women, Miniaba. They are not college, we share any of fool. You best say NDC college. As some of you never can say, ball lawyer, the airport is near it. So, one not with the Ghana come a dear grab. And then work out with him. Last boy, Opa MVP headquarters over here, support to MVP demand. Oh my Ghana, now Anuniano, Okatoka with Minka. MVP headquarters support to MVP by demand. Oh my Ghana. Look also called the MPs. Support to Mudima, oh my Ghana. We will fight civil officers. I'm saying now, I'm ready. No, that's a support for you, oh my Ghana. And that's CSR Coco. It is CSR who said support never had. Now, it's come myself, oh my Ghana t shirt. I'm a support to Ghana. Now, but it's not ready to see the border by politics. Not for what you're saying. It's one penny, so I'm believing that the Mama, the Ghana ball, a politics at the scene there. And then I kept about a couple of my Ghana. Mobile radio, so almost more the politics.
Nano Sika from Dansoman, Medasipia ha any DC, Mamma for any night, Masene, Yahu say any new college be a womb, ain't a chess at Sompano, ye tea ankasa, Yedamasipi, yent min pick a call be a beam. Namea duma watchina, ye bet swat the acano, esona, may cry the yana, maintain the Ghana food be crapes or much than maintain your own person much biasi. Se kwa kufu boy ye boy na nkrofo say MPP apenso Ghana na ye boy homodin NDC apenso Blasters na agojo anase say NPP apenso na Blasters na nya kura o mampeni mahama ba ye Blasters na ye boy wei
aja mencho ni ntia opeso
catch them because mentiasi
asem we catch them be chire an come the voices can home
oh
Nano, Mampani Mahama Jina Simpiani Apaso say, abiding into Blasters and 20 million homode. Sam George Becatcher and
what's all this?
Sam George Becatcher say, Blasters are a boy uncle in every Baumiani Akufado.
How?
Yes, I have the audios I can give you. I have a video, video evidence.
They should stop that.
And see, but as you go to say, Nipa, you know, Kwa.
Bisa say
and now
at the end they see
but
it's not a good thing.
Blasters
no a Ghana for dia
medical catcher say beka ka okoto sashi what you say party card way
Black Stars na a Ghana for dia
because
let's be patriotic
because first minister buy na yi ntu okwa wonu am koka bom wo ho no makoye
now the sports minister ono kwa na ministry
da bi nya make no team ase ono ko oze onko okwenka ye sports by say a Black Star minister one was a Black Queens e kwa me agigi sky ye twa fund ato ma ye ma Black Queens da one was a Paralympics for ko am ye twa foto ato so obi anyi bi ma Black mo da ayi boto nkegbe mo e ko abonten omu kosresre sika e de ko e kwaje medals e de bre Ghana Black Stars ya mo bo ho ka bebrebe when was the last time am je medal
Messi kromu ha wo hu until we will take politics and say you betimi ehunu when to distinguish between politics and national interest no Messi kromu ha ye betina mu until Jesus comes
no birthday no fat was on yenko me di wo mo achi aye nkonde Nasa for Kantanka. Anna, say, young wish the lovely baby. Tio, the lovely baby. But a niaba, Pacho. Baby, way,
well, hey, where you lady are now,
yes.
Okay.
Fantastic
Ghana
lady.
Health Service.
Nursing. Enti Ninia Nimpong. Ya ono na de pressure akora to Safo Kantanka so
one. One day don't forget it.
Awari no me say Safo anware this year.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
there be aka 5 years.
Happy birthday. Confirm your friend Abigail Namaka or Kasim Health Center. Also my thumbs up. Just aka 5 years na niaje. Abi, I support you. Safo must marry. Happy birthday Nkomawate. Nyame nhyira. Me new bra. Ene abusuafo ni nyina. In fact, Safo Kantanka ene Maxwell ne abusuafo ni nyina se Yakopon we nhyira. Na wonye wo kese pa. Nhyira bi e wonemu no. Wodeman won fa no mo pa. Happy birthday and confirm.
Abawo bi.
Ane.
Oh, sorry.
Nyabetra. Me ba ko ene ye ne birthday your friend no Esther Tewia. Auntie Esther. In fact, se me kwado me dwom na me kwaye mani oma no a da mani beba me ho so am se meto wele no ne ho na to no one fantastic woman. Okay. Happy birthday.
Yemana wodapa
enko enfemo na ejapia apam dada wo se wono a ne wo fa se Chasopoku senior ene ye ne birthday enti Chasopoku senior Kade or your forest guide or Kade district and your birthday Yakopon show until a name show on your case na won pejao in see mapomabia Adwoa
happy birthday we echo a day ama Madam Mary Ochrebia ya dodo no a efreno esi no ma anase osebot the queen's wife ene wunya bone sa emrane ne penu obia ehuno enti no Mary Ochrebia anase esinoma aka osebot the queen's wife ene eye mame awoda ne manyina so man happy birthday Nyankopon enhira mame na ne mano de won wish birthday yi kese pa wotechire eye ode ebaye eye Kwame Kusi ansa de ne dwuma e odunkwa no fe Ghana Health Insurance no omo asye wo ho no na Kwame Kusi ansa de ne birthday ntene mame ene da Facebook no so no so woni ni nuanu nyina e we hye mame long life Nyankopon hye no ma no kwatente ahoden wom na wontena senche mame e wo adwuma ko asansan ye no wo adwuma ko enyan esiam mfimfini matem asem na making ntino sebot the queen's wife no and what that Facebook o man so mo dododo Nyankopon hira o mame
ye da say kwaku time no kra de ye dia manasan na me yenka tie for say nwumre commentary wo ho 85 pm no ye Portugal ene Uzbekistan ene bebo eno ye 5 pm intisafo mo betna be for no ma ye intro kakra bi na afi mo de commentary no ato so na afi 8 pm no Ghana ene England no ye de aboy enti yenhye ne nso se enwumre nti yemfa hot bite emba at 5 at 5:30 yemfa hot bite emba enti no yesre mo se Portugal ene Uzbekistan match no 5 pm commentary ni ye de beba nti o mo hye so na 8 pm so
30 seconds mamenka asem nchire National Road Safety Authority say mo bia mfa me din kotutu ahomoni ane adamoni ma wo bia mfa me din enkotutu ahomoni ane adamoni wo Ghana ha na anu wo masem ambeka ne ha wo mo mpanimfo ni bi de na mo regions ni bi say me omo ne me akasa ma kire wo mo nipa kro ma information me mpesa me ni wo mbenya sem National Road Safety Authority say psychological trauma bi na esi wo so na popo bibiri na esi wo so wo office ho e na omo pe ba bi adum ni adan de wo nsem akobobo a mo fa medin hihim any one more actually airborne training no I've seen them and I've heard of them and I'm telling them say whatever they want to do they should do me insuro mu bia na emo mu fa me din enkututu adamoni me ka no wa bi we so anya sa Canada Japan ka so best spill the bin no me de ania me spill wo National Road Safety Authority
ya botere
ebe hawom
abotere
se me omo person omo di me din enkututu adamoni wo omo regions no a ni omo ti omo office wo no omo ye no I have it in my palm me ni omu ni asem ni ekoso e na me eye ni omu ye bia is of a Ghanaian interest whether positive or negative enti se moye ne ye ne ye betena ha ka moye ne enya nso ye betena ha ka na se moye ade a enye na se ye tena ha na ye ka na mo de be call regions na ko ka kire mo nkrofo se mo ne me akasa ama me ma kire nipa ko a o ma me information from the regions
nti nipa na we
Muntre ni pakure. Meanwhile, my office one nankasa headquarters one okra amote no. The route amote so wo no. I have it in my palm.
Right.
Mo min pese me ni obi ani asem wo National Road Safety. Me pese me ni obi anso be nya asem. Mo fa me ni go tutu adamoni.
Tiawa. Me da se. O